Hey everybody, this has been a really popular question lately. One question that I've had from lots of different people is how to submit work digitally to your teacher. And a lot of you have been, even my students, but for a lot of people have been just taking pictures of their work and then submitting them that way. And if you have, and that totally works if you're able to do it, but this is another way. So if you go into your drive, hopefully I'm going to show you something that you don't already know about, but hopefully if you go into your drive and you hit new, you can take a Google document, you can take a Google slide. I'll show you some different things. So if you hit Google Docs and you start a new document, sorry, you might hear my kids in the background. If I go to insert image and then click on camera, hi, then I can take a picture of my work. So I can hold up my work right here, snap a pic, make sure that it's light behind it, you can actually read it, because sometimes I've gotten pictures that are really, really dark. So one trick is to make sure that a window or a light source is behind your camera. Whether it's on your phone or your computer, always make sure that the source of light is behind your camera. So I have a window on this side behind my computer, and that's going to help my work be a little bit easier to see. And then I just hold it up, making sure that I'm not covering up my name or anything like that. And I hit the camera button, and then you'll see that has brought up the picture. And I can probably snap more than one picture doing that, and then just hit insert, and now that shows up in my document. Now I can just like probably oh, I guess I can't. Yep, I can make it bigger and stretch it out. But if you stretch it out and it makes it more difficult to see, obviously you wouldn't want to do that. You'll want to bring it back to size. So you can do that in a document. I can also, if I go back over to my drive and hit new Google Slides, now one of my students did this and submitted like several pieces of work, and it was awesome. Because then I had all of her missing work all in one document, and she only had to share it with me one time because all of her work was in that document. So if you go to insert image camera, and there it is again. So I take a picture of my work. Again, I'm going to do this really quickly. Okay, there's my work. Hit insert. Obviously, that's not a very good picture, so I'd want to do a better job next time. But there we go. I can do that. I can stretch it out and make it bigger so that I can make sure that my teacher can see it. I can do all of those things. And then I can also create a new slide and put another piece of work on the next slide. And so it's all in one. Okay, and that's how you can do that with Google Docs and Google Slides.